Hey there, Dyan Cannon.
Hi, honey.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited you're here. Guess what we're making today? Hollywood-style zucchini fries, air fryer edition. That's a mouthful. Yeah, and we love ordering this at our favorite restaurant that we love to rendezvous at, Cecconi's in Hollywood.
Yeah. And we call these the zucchini fries Hollywood style. We're Cecconi people, and we're in the heart of Hollywood.
We're honestly not doing a commercial for them. It sounds like we are.
Clearly, we're not.
But enjoy. God bless you. Bye.
So I just thought we would give them a fun name, Hollywood-style zucchini fries. That's really what they are, but I'm going to do my healthier version, which we're going to use an air fryer. We're not going to deep fry this. So we're going to reduce calories.
Oh, boy.
And reduce the fat on that, which is a big deal.
Before I get started, I would love to ask if you would consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I love making these recipes, and I'm forming a community of amazing people who love healthy food. So if you're interested in being part of this community, would you consider hitting the subscribe button down below? It's that little red button. Let's do this journey together. And now let's get started on this next recipe.
So quickly, Dyan, just for the people who are watching, just go over what the ingredients are. And you guys can find the recipe and all the ingredients in the caption on my YouTube, or you can go right to my website. But basically, all we need are 2 large zucchinis. For the zucchinis, we need to make a batter. So we're gonna use regular flour. I've got some egg whites. These are Italian breadcrumbs. And then I add my own version of it. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. If you're on a diet and you wanna reduce your calories, you don't need to do it with Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna do it with Parmesan cheese because Dyan and I are all about the flavor today. These are still a healthy version, I promise. We've got Italian seasoning. This is just a seasoning mix. And then I've got paprika to add a little bit more zing and some garlic powder. And then you know how at Cecconi's they have that little aioli, that like mayonnaise dip that we love to. So delicious. We've got some fresh lemon. We've got garlic. I've got a little bit of chives just for garnish. Dijon mustard. And then here's for the aioli, you need a mayo, either vegan mayo or regular.
Okay, so this is the Parmesan.
Parmesan's going in.
This is the
breadcrumbs. And I did a seasoned breadcrumb.
This is Italian seasoning.
Yep, we're gonna add more seasoning. The whole thing is season it up. That's paprika. This is a smoked paprika. It's gonna get a smoky flavor. That's garlic powder.
Okay.
I never have enough garlic.
It's so exciting.
Right? So that's one thing you wanna do is just get your 3 bowls ready for prepping. So that is one bowl.
Okay.
This will be the next. We'll put the egg white in here.
Okay.
We're gonna put the flour in the other prep bowl.
And that's just regular.
So this is
flour.
Yeah, regular flour. And so when we go to dip the zucchini fries, you're gonna see we're gonna go flour, egg white, and then the seasoning.
Okay.
And then I need the cutting board because I'm gonna start chopping up.
We're gonna prep these up into matchstick style. I'm gonna go in half, then I'm gonna go down the middle, and then 2 cuts right here. 1, and then 2. Because you do want the skin on because it kind of holds it together. Because it'll all turn into mush.
Okay.
The skin is your friend right here. So we're just gonna set them on here. But you do want to keep everything kind of uniform size. You don't want a bunch of different sizes. Oh, Dyan, can you do me a favor? Can you sprinkle as much sea salt on these as you can? And don't worry, guys, if it seems like a lot of salt, because we're gonna rinse the salt off.
Yeah, see that?
We're just drawing the water out.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna rinse the salt off. And then you just want to put them all in a colander after 30 minutes and rinse off all of your salt. And then we will pat them dry with paper towels and get them prepped to go into the air fryer. So while you're doing that, I'm gonna get out the ingredients for the aioli and we can start the aioli.
Okay.
All right?
Now, how do we do this?
So an aioli is just like a garlic flavored mayonnaise
Okay, so
dip.
this is mayonnaise we're starting with.
Yes,
okay.
and you can use vegan mayonnaise. You can also use Greek yogurt or yogurt or vegan yogurt. Yeah.
Is this lemon?
Lemon juice.
Okay,
Thank you.
May I put it in?
Yes, please. That's salt, sea salt.
Should I put it in?
Yeah. And then we're gonna put minced garlic in there a little bit. I'm just gonna crush it straight in. Now, can you add the Dijon in there? Just scrape that out, get that in there for me. Let's do pepper.
Sounds yummy.
It looks great. Good. All right, let's taste it. It's pretty good. Do you want more lemon? More lemon. I know her. I was like, okay, more lemon. We have mayonnaise, lemon juice, Dijon, 1 clove of garlic, salt and pepper. That is amazing. High five. You are a good chef, Dyan Cannon.
That was, oh my
Multiple
gosh,
talents.
good.
Our zucchinis have been sitting with some salt. As you could see, It's drawing the water out. Look at all the water that's coming out, Dyan. These sat for 30 minutes. We're gonna rinse these off. Only let them sit for 30 minutes because might get too soft. Yep, just pour them out on there. And we're just gonna dab them down with paper towel. Hi, Luca. Oh, Luca really wants to stay next to you, Dyan. That's so sweet.
I know.
Oh, Luca.
The babies love me because I love the babies.
They do. Squeeze out all that water and just line them back up on your sheet pan. And we've got our assembly line. You want to have your flour, egg white, and the breadcrumb, okay? So I have an air fryer and I'm setting it up. I'm gonna go 400 degrees on the air fry mode. And if your air fryer has a convection mode, it's gonna use that. It's gonna automatically use it, but if not, you wanna turn it on. You're gonna air fry 400 degrees for 12 minutes and hit the start button. While the air fryer's warming up, it's a perfect time to get all of your zucchini fries ready. So Dyan, you wanna go first with your flour, and then you wanna really shake off all the flour. So you go flour first, shake off all the flour, then you're gonna drop it in the egg white. There you go. And then you're gonna drop it into our Italian seasoning.
Oh my gosh, it's a job.
It's a job. I was doing 3 at a time the other day because I thought, well, this is taking a long time.
It's a job.
Shake off your flour, honey, because you don't want big clumps of flour on it because it'll make it too thick.
Okay.
So like that one we'll just leave to the side.
We'll discard it.
We'll discard that one. That didn't pass quality control. Dyan, you're so cute. See, that's kind of how you want it to be. Okay. Dyan, there's not even any breading on here.
Oh, honey. Oh my. Look where all of it is.
I saw you. Let's come rinse your hands off. I love you. Okay, it's not even sticking on now at this point. Okay,
well, because you told me to shake it.
Oh, you're supposed to shake the flour. You dab the flour, shake it off,
you told
go
me
egg
to
white.
shake it. That's why it's not sticking.
No. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm just so happy and honored to have my good friend Dyan Cannon here with me today as we are making our Hollywood style zucchini fries, air fryer edition. Dyan's doing a great job and I'm just gonna continue to help her do a great job. We might want to wash your ring off, honey.
It's like an ice skater, right? They can skate, but they need an audience to clap for them. That's why I'm here, to clap for Christine.
So cute.
And to shake and bake.
I'm gonna get these into the air fryer. You probably wanna put them in the basket and then slide the basket into the air fryer. I did this a little backwards. All right, I'm shutting this. It's 12 minutes. Okay. We're going. All right, so they're done. They've been in the air fryer for 12 minutes. Let's take a look, Dyan.
They look yummy.
Here they are. We made these together, and when I make them by myself, they look a little different, but that's okay. I love you, and I'm good. All right, so I'm just letting them kind of air out for a minute.
Oh, they look beautiful.
So here's our aioli. Hot, hot, hot. Be careful. Let's see. This one looks happy. This is cute.
Oh my gosh.
Look at them. Here they are. Hollywood style zucchini fries.
Oh my gosh.
Dyan, I'm so excited for us.
They taste amazing.
That's good. All right, there it is, you guys. Hollywood style zucchini fries. If you want to know how to make them, the recipe, we can DM you the recipe, my website, or the caption below.
Do you want to try it now?
Oh my goodness, Luca. All right, there it is. We made them. I'm proud of us. Woohoo!
Girlfriend.
Air fryer zucchini fries. It's so simple, so delicious. You have to try out this recipe.
They're so good.
So good. Thanks for watching. You guys can find the recipe in the caption below. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.